Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my class Parshala update video. Here is a puzzle. Find out 7,3 equal to 40, 8,2 equal to 60, and 6,4 equal to 20, 10,5 equal to what? So we find out the number of what place here. 7 square minus 3 square equal to 40, and 8 square minus 2 square equal to 60, and 6 square minus 4 square equal to 20 here. So here is a number 10 square minus 5 square equal to 100 minus 25 equal to 75. So the number what equal to 75. Okay, it is the answer of this puzzle. Everybody try this for expand your brain, and we will meet you up to the next update video. So you stay good, well done, goodbye, bye bye.